Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here. We are located out of 7609 Southeast Overland Street, Milwaukee, Oregon, 97222. However, we do serve the entire Clackamas County area. And today's video, again, I kind of want to put this through for SEO purposes. I did a Google search for apartment carpet cleaning, and it comes up on both Yelp and Google, so I'm kind of wanting to hit both of them at the same time. However, I do have a pretty strong presence for apartment carpet cleaning already online, but I want to go ahead and kind of saturate the area with more apartment carpet cleaning. Today we're going to do apartment carpet cleaning Clackamas. And the purpose for that is because what tends to happen with SEO is once you saturate an area with a particular SEO key phrase or something, it has a tendency to start bleeding over into the surrounding areas. So going from Clackamas, Happy Valley, Milwaukee, where we predominantly are, it will start bleeding over into some more of the suburban areas such as Gladstone, Wilsonville, Oregon City, Gresham, and those areas are a bit farther out from where we are, but you kind of get that as a freebie just for super saturating the area. So we're going to go ahead and move on to our job for the day. It's a 3-story townhouse, and again, it's going to be apartment carpet cleaning Clackamas, Oregon today. Okay, so we're starting at the uppermost portion of the townhouse that we're going to be cleaning today. We've got 2 bedrooms and a hallway up here. Then we have a stairway with a living room area, and then another stairway going out the door. So, stair climbers. We get our workout today and we don't have to go to the gym. Awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply this. This is our sodium carbonate peroxide cleaner. They do have a dog, so this will kill any dog remnants that are in the house as well. And then what we are going to be doing is using our grinding room here. But what I'm also doing is I'm using this to kind of empty a bottle, and then we are going to be putting down an application of Odoricide Fresh, just to give everything a good fresh smell. And the Odoricide Fresh does kill pet odor causing stuff in there, like urine and hair. Hair is generally caused by the protein that is actually the little protein follicles or protein that are attached to the hair follicles. So that'll kill it and get rid of the smell. However, and it's not an allergen treatment, anti-allergy treatment. So although you take the smell out of hair and stuff like that, it doesn't necessarily kill the protein. So unless you're actually treating with an anti-allergen, getting rid of a smell does not prevent someone from sneezing and coughing and itching when they come walking into a room with hair in the carpet. You actually have to get rid of all of the use an anti-allergen that actually goes through and kills the protein and all that stuff. So even if you thoroughly clean using a CRB and a good cleaner, and you killed all the odor and you got everything out of the carpet, chances are someone who has allergies or is allergic to hair and protein and that sort of stuff is still going to be having issues due to fine protein and dust and things that might be left behind in the carpeting. So in those cases, when you're dealing with someone who's actually allergic to pets and animals and that sort of stuff, you're better off using an anti-allergen treatment with your cleaning, just to make sure that you thoroughly kill all those proteins and things that could possibly be in the carpeting that may cause allergic reaction to those people sensitive to it. So we are getting ready right now to put down some Odoricide Fresh down on the carpeting. We've already pre-sprayed using our sodium carbonate and peroxide solution, which breaks down all the animal matter and all that. But I did notice that you can up the dilution on the Odoricide and use it for animal decomposition. of just eating stuff up in the carpeting. However, it's a lot more cost effective just to use the sodium carbonate peroxide solution that we used, and it basically achieves the exact same thing. So now we're going to go by and we're going to put on an application of just the odor side for deodorizing purposes. And as we're running lines and everything up the stairs and firing up the truck, it'll just sit and dwell and help to emulsify any odors that are in the carpeting and leave a pleasant scent as well. And also, I'd like to preface by saying, had this been a vacant situation, I probably would have gone through with the ULV fogger and fogged absolutely everything. That fresh scent is actually really nice. It just immediately starts killing odor, and it makes the area smell really good. However, there's probably a lot of odors trapped in these baseboards and along the walls and everything. So I think that it would have done a much more thorough and probably better, longer lasting job if we had the ULV fogger in here. However, this is a live-in situation, so you typically don't want to be running that many chemicals in the house and have them airborne. They cause respiratory issues and probably cancer and all that other stuff. So who knows what California is going to come up with next. They're probably going to say that water is poisonous or something.